Welcome to Vlogmas 2022. So excited about Vlogmas this year. I have a goal of bringing you a video every single day for the month of December. It may be a full-length video or it may be a short, but stay tuned for the ride. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with others, and stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my top 5 mousses that I can't live without. Keep on watching. Okay, so mousse number 1 comes from Pattern Beauty. Tried this mousse for the first time this past summer. This is a brand new mousse, so they just came out with this year. This mousse is bomb. Let me just show you the consistency of it. Very airy, fluffy. A little goes a long way, as you can see. Absolutely love this mousse. So let's talk about, doesn't have much of a smell. Smells like all of their products, to be honest. This curl mousse, it says it adds volume and has a healthy hold. It's an ultralight curl mousse that delivers pillowy volume and touchable hold to curls. This fluffy one-step formula dries quickly and defines curls to preserve pattern and set popping styles. The foamy mousse is crafted from marshmallow root and castor oil to maintain softness and smoothness. The flake-free foam gives wash and goes, finger waves, finger coils, and protective styles voluminous shine, keeping your texture juicy and joyful. Absolutely love this foam. I'll try to link a video up above of me using this. I did a perm rod set with it, and it was absolutely bomb. Definitely can't wait to use it again for a wash and go, so stay tuned for that. Next up in the foams that I cannot live without is from Bask and Bloom. So I tried this hair brand for the first time this year, and I'm completely obsessed. This foam right here is definitely top tier. Wash and go with just this foam, unmatched. Try to link a video above using this foam for a wash and go. I've also paired this with a bunch of different temporary hair colors, from the gels to the waxes, and this underneath, unmatched. So let's see the texture of this one. Comes out really easy. Again, another foamy mousse. Oh, it's so creamy, so moisturizing. Little goes a long way with this mousse as well. So let's talk about the ingredients. So this is a hydrating vitamin, and it smells amazing. This is a hydrating vitamin curl mousse for curl definition and medium hold. So it's a hydrating moisturizing styler with herbal extracts and added shine. Perfect to add definition and medium hold on styles like rod sets, wash and goes, or styling locks. Suitable for all hair types. Definitely want to get your hands on this mousse. Next up in the curl mousse that I cannot live without is from Camille Rose. And this is the Honey Spiked Mousse. It is a 4-in-1 styler made with nettle root. It's a lightweight setting mousse infused with honey and nettle, crafted to smooth strands and boost shine and set styles. So this is from the Honey collection from Camille Rose. Let's check out the texture of this mousse. Another really creamy mousse. and it smells like just honey, sweet goodness. So this is another mousse that you definitely want to add to your stash. So in the back it says apply a generous amount onto freshly washed and conditioned strands, style hair, and allow to fully dry before fluffing. Definitely recommend this mousse as well. Next up in the styling mousse that I can't live without in my top 5 is from My Ale Organics. And this is the Pomegranate and Honey Curl Defining Mousse with Hold. It's a texture mousse for type 4 hair. And if you've tried this line, you already know that it smells bomb and it works amazing. This bomb right here, this bomb, tongue-tied. This mousse right here is bomb. Definitely want to add this to your list. So it says, after hair has been cleaned and is damp, divide into sections, apply a liberal amount of the pomegranate and honey curl defining mousse with Hold to hair, combing or fingering through from root to end. Follow the same pattern in each section of hair until completely done. Style hair as desired. This pomegranate and honey curl defining mousse with Hold is a non-sticky holding mousse that smells amazing. It does, and is the perfect hold for type 4 hair. Absolutely. This mousse is infused with key essential oils such as shea butter, pomegranate, honey, apple, aloe, and jojoba oil for added moisture and hydration. So let's check out the texture. Is the consistency of this one. So it's probably the thinnest in consistency of all of the mousses, but definitely moisturizing, creamy, smells divine, and it definitely gets the curls popping. So you definitely want to check it out. And last but definitely not least, from a brand that I fell in love with this year, Miche Beauty. This is the Set Curl Defining Mousse with Hold, made with aloe vera and ginger. It's a non-flaking, flexible hold mousse for coils, curls, and waves. And I'm just about at the end of this, so I definitely am going to need more. So for how to use, it says after hair has been washed and conditioned, apply a generous amount of set onto hair, combing or fingering through from root to end. Style hair as desired before fluffing. Allow hair to fully set and dry by sitting under a hooded dryer or diffusing Allow hair to fully set and dry by sitting under a hooded dryer or diffusing. Can be used on many different hairstyles such as wash and goes, twist outs, braid outs, rod sets, even for TWAs, teeny weeny afros, and many more styles. It has no silicones, no drying alcohols or sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, synthetic colors. This is a bomb product. So if you haven't tried it yet, definitely recommend Set by Miche Beauty. Let's check out the consistency of this one. Another foamy, moisturizing, and it smells so good. Love this mousse by Miche Beauty. Definitely want to check it out. So those are the top 5 mousse that I cannot live without. Those are my top 5. Let me know in the comment section below what mousse you can't live without. If you saw some of your favorites, let me know in the comment section below. Let's chat it up there about styling mousse and how to use them, what styles you use them for. I'm absolutely obsessed with using mousse for styling. Definitely for my wash and goes, but I'm also going to try them for a twist out. I'm trying to think. I'm not sure if I've ever done a twist out with the mousse. It might be coming up next. Also, I'm going to do some battle of the mousses. So let me know which 2 you want me to try first. As always, thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video. This is